Hello, welcome back. Guess what's the theme is today? Puppies. Yes, we're going to draw some dog-related mashups. The first idea comes from my high school friend, David Guralnick. He wants us to mash up a hot dog and a dog. The second is from Jennifer. Her son would like us to mash up a dog and a strawberry. This is Brady's idea. Excellent suggestions. I will turn on my projector and we'll get started. Okay, I'm using a Sharpie, which means you cannot erase because everything you create will be perfect and beautiful all the time. And remember, I draw really fast, so if you need to pause the YouTube video, please do so. And you don't have to draw these puppy-related mashups exactly the way I'm illustrating them. Alright, let's first draw David's idea of a hot dog. Okay, the first thing you need to draw will be this raindrop shape. So think of a leaf or a raindrop. We drew something similar, a dog-related drawing, about a week ago. Then draw another part of the head. No, way over a week ago. I've been doing this for almost a month now. Okay, then complete the head, draw the nose, and draw the bottom part. Okay, not a surprise. Draw one big eye and a little one. For this case, the same size. Okay, then draw one letter C for the pupils and another letter C, then fill it in. Do the same on the other side. There you go. Then let's draw the nose. Draw a flattened circle or an oblong, then fill it in. Okay, all my characters are happy. Give this dog a big smile. And if you want, you can add some dots underneath the nose and above the mouth. I will give this dog some hair and a collar. You don't have to draw your puppy exactly the way I'm drawing David's hot dog. After you draw that, let's draw the bottom part of the bun. So draw this arc or this kind of curvy line. Then draw a circle, half a circle, then repeat the bottom portion. So that's the bottom part of the bun. Okay, repeat a similar shape. This is for the hot dog. There you go. And then repeat a similar shape for the top of the bun. There you go. Let's make this more hot dog-like by adding these wavy lines for the ketchup or mustard. Okay, repeat the same shape, same wavy line. So much fun to do. There you go. Yummy. Give this hot dog a tail. Make it wag. Last details will be the legs and feet. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you want to add some details on the feet, go for it. I'll sign it. And this is David's hot dog. Okay, the next drawing is for Brady. And this is for the strawberry dog. So the first thing that we need to do is, let's first draw the stem of the strawberry. So draw one letter C, okay? Then add a circle at the very top. Then add another letter C, okay? That's a stem. Then add this star-like shape, but a little curvy. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We just drew a starfish, so keep that in mind. Okay, let's draw a similar dog head. So draw the raindrop shape, like this. I love that the stem is the dog's hat. Then draw the top part of the head. Then draw the nose and complete the dog's head. Same exact thing. Draw one big eye and the smaller one. Alright, then draw the two letter C's. Then fill them in. 1, 2, fill them in. So cute. Add the same kind of nose. Oblong, filled it in. A big smile, then dots. Okay? If you want, you can give the dog a collar. I'll add a little bone right there. So cute. Okay, that's the ring. Alright, now this may not be easy, but let's draw the strawberry. So draw a curved line like this, and then draw down, excuse me, draw a little circle, then repeat that shape. Not easy, okay? I suggest when you add seeds to make your paper vertical and add as many seeds as you like. Not a surprise, I'll add 15. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 seeds. Then put it back horizontally. Let's add the wagging tail. We are almost done. Then let's add some legs and feet. 1, paws. 2, 3, 4, and some paw details. And signing it. We are done. So I'll turn off my projector. Thank you very much, David and Brady, for turning in your mashup ideas. Keep in mind to turn in suggestions, mashup suggestions, on YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, and on Instagram. David and Brady, please email me your address at smileyb@bataclan.com, and I will mail you your signed drawing mashup. And also, tune in again tomorrow, and so we'll do some more mashups. And this is it for now. I hope my clicker works. It's really windy outside. You might have heard that. Thank you for drawing with me, and see you tomorrow.